Welcome back, cats, bats, and everything in between. I'm Dawson Wagner, and this is some of your K-State Today events for the week. To start us off, on Wednesday, May 4th, join the School of Music, Theater, and Dance as they put on their senior dance concert here in Nichols Hall. It'll be located in Mark Chapman Theater, and the doors will be set to open at 7:30 p.m. and will run till 9 p.m. And on Thursday, May 5th, all K-State students who are graduating in May or August are invited to Grad Bash, a spring celebration to say farewell to your last days as students and hello to life as K-State alumni. Enjoy free food, drinks, live music, prizes, and even a free alumni t-shirt. The event will start at 4 p.m. and will be located at the Alumni Center here on the Johnson Terrace. And to round out our week, on Friday, May 6th, take some time off to enjoy your weekend with a showing of Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness. Tickets are free with a K-State ID, and they'll be handed out at noon on that Friday at Table 1 on the first floor next to the Cat's Den in the K-State Student Union. One ticket will be given out per K-State ID, and tickets will likely sell out for this event, so be sure to arrive early at the spot next to the Cat's Den for the best chance to secure a ticket. For Wildcat Watch, I'm Dawson Wagner, and this is the last time that I'm doing your K-State Today events for the week.